Show me how you sneeze and cover your mouth. Show me. Good, Lissa. Now Timo. Sneeze and cover your mouth. Cover your nose. Put your hand in front of your nose. You have to use your hand. Timo, you have to use your hand. Cover your nose. See, I'm covering my nose. I didn't say pick it. You're getting it. Now, Lissa, how about you? Cover your mouth. Cover your nose. You have to do it. You got a noodle. Where'd that come from? Where?